He really doesn't have a right to do that. That's just the truth about the whole issue. He didn't have a right touching a kid. For those of you guys that are just tuning into my channel today for the very first time, my name is Nike. Thank you guys so much for being here, and to all my returning subscribers, you guys are amazing. Thanks for always showing me love on this channel. Right now I'm about to have my lunch. Let me show you guys what it looks like. This is some fried yam, some broccoli, some green peas, carrots, onions, some peppers, sweet peppers, and some shrimps in it, guys. Just in case you guys hear any noise, my kids are playing downstairs and they're making a whole lot of noise. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to come talk about this issue. It's been trending on social media. Well, it's trended before and it's coming back again, and this time it's not even looking good, and I am so sad about this. I'm more concerned about the justice system in Nigeria. It's looking like now the lawyers are twisting this whole thing, and it's looking like a predator who is a molester is now going to go scot-free. So it's making me feel quite uncomfortable that the justice system has failed its citizens. It has failed its people in Nigeria. Now just imagine, this guy, I will be putting his picture up there, and this lady, both friends, actors and comedians, they work together basically. And according to the whole story, what really happened is, in the beginning, Princess said this is what happened, that she noticed that her daughter acts funny anytime she sees this man's picture, or if she sees him on TV, and then she kept wondering why this girl reacts this way. And one day, with so much pestering, she decided to ask the girl, come on, why are you always behaving like this when you're seeing Babaijesha on TV? And it's normal for someone that was molested. Seeing your molester, you never will be comfortable with that. And then the girl opened up and told Princess that he molested her some time back in 2014. When he came to the house, he used the key, blah blah blah, some story like that, Sha. And Princess took it upon herself to, follow the issue, and she got a security company to come install cameras in the house, and then invited Babaijesha over to the house. And once Babaijesha got to the house, intentionally, because now she had installed cameras and she needed to know if this was true, she left the girl in the house all alone by herself, and then just went down the street. And when Babaijesha got to the house, she was like, wait for me, I will be coming, so person is at home. Now, unknowing to Babaijesha that there were cameras in the house, he started to molest the little girl. Now this girl is a minor. I don't really know how old she is right now, but she's a minor. She is a minor. She's not even up to 18. Even 18, I don't think it's right for you to molest her without her consent, because for you to touch someone, it has to be between two consenting adults for you to be able to touch someone or have anything physical with the person. Now, he started molesting her. Security people, everyone nabbed him. They came into the house and they caught him red-handed. They took him to the police station. He was in police net for a while. A lot of people took this case upon themselves. I mean, I don't blame them, because if you've been abused as a child, you would not find this funny. For someone like me, I take issues like this to heart. I take it very personal. What if that was my child? How would I react? How would I feel about this? Which is why I'm coming here to talk about this. Like, for me, it's just a part of the justice system that is beginning to fail us in Nigeria. The lawyers now are beginning to change the whole narrative. At that point when this was happening, Babaijesha was like, oh, I'm so sorry, Princess, you are my benefactor, blah blah blah, I shouldn't have done this, it was the work of the devil. But as of yesterday, this is what we're seeing. Babaijesha came to court. He went to court yesterday and changed the whole story completely. Now his lawyers are going to hell. I don't care what nobody tells me, those lawyers are going to hell. You don't have the right to change a statement that you have written in the police net and then come here and then say something else, and then the justice system says you're let go. Now, you guys shouldn't get me wrong, he hasn't been let go yet. He hasn't been let free yet, but I do know that the justice system in Nigeria has failed us totally, and this might just go the other way and he might be free. That is how it works in Nigeria, guys. Anyway, as of yesterday, when Babaijesha went to court. He now twisted the whole story saying, oh, Princess was my lover, me and her used to do all kind of things. Who cares? Princess is an adult. Y'all can do whatever you want. She's an adult. Like, nobody cares about Princess in this case. What we care about is you touching the minor. Like, what is wrong with his lawyers? And what is wrong with Babaijesha himself and his team? Like, you touch the minor. You could just own up to it, do your thing, and get out of it. Really bothering me now is the fact that Babaijesha eventually is gonna be set free, and this is a sexual offender we're setting free right there. You know, there should be laws for things like this. This guy is gonna go ahead and molest or abuse other kids. In fact, he will abuse even consenting adults, even adults who can consent but did not consent to it. And he will tell them, you can take me to wherever you want to take me to. Nothing will happen. You saw the case that happened with Princess and her daughter. A sexual offender should be treated as a sexual offender. He's a predator. He shouldn't be allowed to go scot-free. Now, his closest allies can't trust their kids around him. If they do, he will molest them. The kids in the community, both male and female, are not safe. But if Princess 2 is right, we should have evidence. There should be an evidence. And if she tenders that evidence to the court, he should go to jail. You, those lawyers, how would you feel? Like, even Babaijesha himself, how would he feel if this thing is happening to his own child and the justice system is now being overturned, is being played around, deviating from the whole real sensitive issue at hand? Other kids will not even be able to speak out. You know, kids don't even speak out when they are molested for fear. So just imagine him being let out now and he molests more kids and they can't speak out. Man, I don't know what the world is turning into, but may God help us. May he protect our kids. May he protect us as well, you know. And let me just enjoy my Friday in peace. But I want to know what you guys think, you know. You guys should please let me know in the comment section. Is it right for Babaijesha to go scot-free? He molested a child. Like, he molested a child, which is quite sad. Imagine if that was your own child or your sister, a foster child, someone that's close to you, you know, your family member that was being molested, and then nothing is being done about this. How would you feel? How would that make you feel, guys? Just let me know in the comment section. And do you think I'm just being so paranoid? Like, I feel people like this should be sent to jail for life. They shouldn't even be let out into the community anymore, because they are threats. They are already a threat to the society. So guys, please let me know in the comment section what you think. Let me finish enjoying my food right here. Do enjoy the rest of the day, guys. Bye.